Welcome everyone, this is Christopher with InMotion Hosting. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create overlapping blocks in your WordPress Gutenberg block editor. Now, this is something that you can do with various plugins that are available, and some of the newer themes might give you a similar option. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this if you have a theme that doesn't give you the option by default, and you're not afraid to use a little bit of additional CSS to make something happen. So that's exactly what we'll be doing in this video. So the objective here is, you see I've got this post here with a text block. This is actually what's called a media and text block. It gives you an option to put some media alongside some text, and you can basically create an association between these two different types of content here. And I have this little button here that, for example, could lead to a quiz or some sort of marketing campaign. But my objective here is I want this text block and this button to overlap with the image, and you'll see exactly what I mean once we actually go ahead and do it. So let's jump right into it here. So first, let's take a look at this post on the actual front end of the site. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. It looks the same. It looks similar to how it does in the editor. But the point to note here is that when we add this additional CSS, we'll only see it on the front end. It's not going to affect the actual editor appearance. And the CSS block that we're going to be using is in the article in the support center that is attached to this demonstration. You'll see the link in the description below. But now let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to, first of all, we're going to jump out of this post and we'll close that. And under appearance here, you'll see the customize area. We're going to click on that and then click additional CSS. And here behind the scenes, I'm going to grab the CSS that we're going to be using. And again, you'll find this exact text in the article that's linked below. I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. And there, you can actually see, because we're customizing the page live, you can see it took effect right there. So let's go ahead and publish that. You see that was pretty quick. And again, just to go over it again, you'll see it doesn't show up in the editor, but when you go to the actual page, there the CSS has taken effect. And now, because you've added this as additional CSS, anytime you create another media and text block like this, you'll get that same effect. And you'll see there are two variations in the CSS provided in the article, for an image on the right and an image that is floating on the left. So you can experiment with that and see if you get a look that you like. Well, that's it for this video. That's how you could use some additional CSS to create overlapping blocks. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And of course, like the video and subscribe if this was helpful to you and you want to see more InMotion hosting videos. Thanks. See you next time.
Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.